this video I am going to show you how to post a picture or a video on the twitter.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, you should open the website on your device. And after that you should go to your home page by tapping on this home button in the upper left corner of the screen, and then you should tap on the For You section, and here you can find this What's Happening box. And if you would like to post a media file, tap on this Picture or Media button, which is the first button, and after that you should select your a picture or a video that you would like to post. Tap on it, upload your picture, and then click on the tweet button. You can also tag people, add a description to it if you want to, and basically you can edit the image too, you can crop it, or add emojis to it, and if you are done, click on the tweet button down below. So here you will be able to find your posted picture. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.